Hey, it's Matt here with Avant-Garde 911R and Brain Trailer. I just wanted to talk about this 87 G50 Carrera Coupe that's ending here in a little bit. So just do like a little walk around and just show about the paint and the interior and the features of the car. So this is a 87 G50, which is the first year for the G50 gearbox. And when I talk about that, we're talking about the transmission. It's a much more stout transmission. It's actually carried on almost all the way through the GT3, early GT3 cars. It's a lot stronger, it's more robust, it shifts smoother, it's not as notchy as the earlier 915s. It's really a big upgrade on these cars, and much more desirable. So we look at the car, it's got the Fuchs wheels with black centers on it, guards red, paint, black Nero interior. Come around and take a look at the interior. Leather seats, has the correct steering wheel. It's got upgraded Blaupunkt stereo with full call speakers. Air conditioning on this car. It does blow cold. All the gauges and lights work on the car. Open up the back so you can see behind the seats. Looks very nice. Stock speakers in the back. We'll open up the engine cover. You know, you got the big Carrera spoiler, the periscope third brake light. The car also has a rear window wiper, which is a nice option on these cars. Looking in the engine bay, you see, you have the 3.2 Carrera motor. The new style rotary style compressor, these were stock in these cars. Much better air conditioning system than the earlier cars. This car has had the oil changed in it, spark plugs changed in it. We've done a compression test on it. We refinished the fan and housing, new Porsche belts on it as well. Come around this side of the car, you can see the paint is really nice and shiny and looks good. Open up the door here, zoom on in. You can just see how everything's just really how these cars are supposed to be. The car has a lot of original paint on it, but it has had some spot work on it. We did the front bumper blade on it, the driver's door and front fender. The rest of the car is mainly stock. Coming around, you can see it's just really nice, straightforward, not beat up. This is a good car. Let's open up the frunk. Open the frunk, you have the mats. This has all the books and records and manuals and receipts in it. The spare tire inflator. Pull this back here. Spare tire, it's never been on the ground. Plus jack and complete tool kit is down in here as well. New battery, charger all hooked up. It's just really nice, straightforward 87 G series car, and these are the ones everybody wants. So let us know if you have any questions as the auction winds down. If you need shipping quotes or any other questions, use the contact seller button. We'll be monitoring it and get right back to you. Thank you very much.